Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to add age verification in Hostinger Website Builder. This is my website homepage in Hostinger Website Builder. And to add age verification to this website, all I need to do is to go to Website Settings, then click on Integrations. Now add this very long code to your website, just like that. To get this code, just check this website description, then add this code just like that. Don't forget to save your changes, then update your website to reflect your changes live. Now let's view my website live, and this is my age verification banner or pop-up just added to my website. To edit this text, just copy this text, go back to your custom code and hit Ctrl or go to edit, then click on find, paste your code, and this is your banner text. You can edit it as you want. And this is how to add an age verification pop-up to your Hostinger website builder. Before you go, I have something special for you. I have two free online video courses for you. The first one is about Hostinger hosting and WordPress managing, and the second one shows you how to use Hostinger website builder to make basic websites or online shops. You can get them both for free just by clicking the link in the description. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. If you have any question, leave a comment below.